بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه كما يحب ربنا ويرضاه. After completing the section of reading the individual letters with the fatha, after learning how to pronounce this vowel correctly, the author or the two authors, they have set a page entitled Al-Imtihan. Al-Imtihan mean? No, احفظ is memorize. What does Al-Imtihan mean?
Read.
Imtihan is test. What's Imtihan?
Test.
This is the test. Al-Imtihan, test. Okay? What is this going to do? It's going to test your understanding of the fatha, this section of fatha. So if you pass this test, it means you have understood. But if you don't read this correctly, it means you haven't understood the section. Okay? So if you want to pass this test, you have to get less than 5 mistakes. If you get 5 mistakes or more, you fail this test. That means you have to do this section again. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Say Bismillah and start.
Bismillah. Sa, sa, a, sa, sha, ha, sa, sha, ja, za, da, za, ha, kho, sa, so, za, ya, da, ta, kha, غا ذا ظا خا قا ظا ضا غا قا جا يا تا قا ذا تا زا سا شا صا با فا جا ح غا لا غا.
Okay, you got 1 mistake. So that means you passed the test. MashaAllah. Barakallahu fi. This part, Al-Juz Al-Thani, the second section, he teaches you fatha with the letters being joined up now. So the letters are joined up. And the letters being joined up, we covered this in section 2 of this series. We covered how the letters look like when they're joined up in the beginning of a word, in the middle, and the end. So this is something that we covered previously, but the author now, he's bringing the letters joined up with fatha. Previously here they were isolated, the letters were separate. So just learning how to read ya, wa, ha, separate. Now we're going to join the words together. Abana, abana, naba'a, thaba'a. So we're going to be reading a little bit faster. Before you was learning ba, a, na. Now we're going to say ba'ana. And this is na, ba, ta.
نبات
Nabata. Okay. Abana.
أبنى
Naba'a.
نبأ
Thaba'a.
سبأ
Rabana.
ربنا
Banata.
بنت
Zana'a.
زنأ
Thabana.
ثبن
Tha'ara.
ثأر
Awana.
أون
Darafa.
ذرف
Wazagha.
وزر
Dharana.
ذرن
Arasa.
أرس
Wanasa.
ونس
Tatha'a.
تثأ
Badala.
بدل
Razaqa.
رزق
Badara.
بدر
Arama.
أرم
Dharafa.
ذرف
Azagha.
أزخ
Azagha.
أزغ
Thana'a.
ثنأ
Gharafa.
غرف
Wathaba.
وثب
Bada'a.
بدأ
Dara'a.
درأ
Banana.
بنن
Abada.
أبد
Rabala.
ربل
Abata.
أبت
Adaba.
أدب
Badhana.
بذن
Adhala.
أذل
Ba'ata.
بأت
Anada.
أند
Waraza.
ورز Rosa.
Okay, this is your homework. Okay, you need to learn how to read like this without any
Okay, and
mistakes, yeah?
seeing as this is a series which teaches us Arabic reading as well as writing, in this section we are going to give 5 writing exercises as homework so that we can continue practicing our writing. The 5 exercises for today, or 5 questions for today, are to join these 5 3-lettered words. These are actual words with meanings in the Arabic language. The meanings, inshallah, I'm going to tell you at the beginning of next lesson, inshallah. So the homework is to join these 3 letters together for each one of these 5. So here we have Ain, Ba and Dal. So Ain, Ba and Dal. You're going to write Ain, Ba and Dal joined up. This joined up writing was taught in Unit 2, Phase 2 of this series. We learned how to join the individual letters together. So not only are you going to join these letters together, you're also going to place a fatha on each of these letters. So the Ain, you're going to write it with a fatha, the Ba with a fatha, the Dal with a fatha, and then you need to be able to read it. You need to be able to read it correctly. We're going to go through this homework at the start of next lesson, inshallah. And the same for Ra, Ka, Ain and the rest of these words. You're going to join them together and place fatha on each letter and read the word correctly. You're going to read the word correctly. Read the word correctly. After you've written it and placed the fatha on each letter, you need to be able to read them correctly, as we've done with the reading exercise for the page for today. طيب. So we're going to go over this inshallah next lesson. I hope you do your homework and work hard inshallah, and bi'idhnillah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us and you all. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.